Hi, my name is Linda Lee and I'm here today to share with you guys how to use this activated charcoal teeth whitening powder by White Glow. What you can do actually is use a dry toothbrush and just gently dip into this powder and start brushing. Round 1 done, and we're going to do another 2 minutes. Voila! And we're done! So with just an additional 2 minutes of your time each day using the activated charcoal teeth whitening powder by White Glow, you'll be able to achieve the red carpet smile from home. And yep, it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Bye!